Hi kababayan, I'm Christian Carino from Mega World at the Fort, and today ituturo ko kayo sa one bedroom unit here in Uptown Modern. By the way guys, Uptown Modern is our newly launched pre-selling condo here in Uptown BGC. Tara, check natin tong 57 square meter one bedroom unit in Uptown Modern. Tara! So upon entering, on the right side, we have our uh, maid's area slash storage. So, pwede nyo siyang gawing uh, guest room kasi meron na rin siyang own toilet and bath. So, ito, makikita natin. For the toilet and bath, complete sanitary fittings na yan. So, floor to ceiling tiles, uniform na talaga. May kasama ng toilet bowl, and lavatory and mirror, and shower. And guys, kasama na tong washer na to. And paglabas natin ng maid's area, right here is our kitchen area. We have a quartz countertop. Ang maganda dito guys kasi open kitchen to. So, ito yung sink and faucet natin. Hindi siya naka-enclose. So, very open, maliwalas. At least nakikita natin yung living area and dining area. And it also comes with 2 induction cooktop with range hood. Ayan. Built-in microwave oven. And maganda dito guys kasi may kasama na rin tong built-in refrigerator from Goren Hay. Ito. Yan. Kasama na yan sa unit upon turnover. And lahat ng soft close cabinets, itong up and down. Ito. Yan. Pati sa baba meron. So sa kitchen pa lang maganda na, no? And check naman natin tong common toilet and bath. For common toilet and bath, what you see is what you get, no? So you will receive this smart featured mirror, and also ang ganda ng pagkaka-floor to ceiling tiles niyan, guys. Napakaganda, napakaaliwalas. Yung lavatory natin, napakahaba. As you can see, yan, meron na siyang built-in cabinets. Siyempre, kasama na yan, glass partition, naka-enclose, and rain shower. So, sa turnover ng unit, makikita natin, no, medyo iba lang ang itsura niya dahil this is a dressed up unit. So, meaning, may mga design na, pero, sa actual unit, pag na-turn over sa inyo to, painted lang siya ng white. Ito mga wallpaper na nakikita natin. And, flowers, tables, hindi siya kasama. So, you have your options pa. And, ito naman yung magiging living area. So, maluwag siya. And, sa living area, may kasama tong split type aircon. Ayan. Siyempre, for one bedroom unit na 57 square meter, meron na rin tong access sa balcony. So, very spacious, napakaganda. So, pag may balcony, alam naman natin yung benefit ng may balcony, no? Meron tayong open air, fresh air, no? Nakakasingaw yung unit natin, nakakapaglabas ng odor. At the same time, pwede ka doon maglagay ng coffee table. Ang ganda ng view. Morning sun, Sierra Madre. So, from our living area, pasok tayo sa bedroom area. This is the bedroom area. Kasyang-kasya yung queen size. Maganda dito guys, may kasama na siyang walk-in closet. Ayan. Kasama na yan. And this bedroom also comes with split type aircon. So, bali dalawa ang split type aircon na kasama natin, no? One in the living and one sa bedroom area. So, ayan. Itong 1 bedroom na to is, ayan, floor to ceiling glass. Ang maganda sa floor to ceiling glass kasi meron tayong natural light from outside. Hindi ka na pagka maaraw, hindi natin kailangan mag-open ng light during daylight. So, this unit, ang total contract price nito is 24 million. And right now, we offer it for no down payment, 6 years to pay, at 0% interest. Magmamonthly lang tayo ng 18,000 per month for 72 months or 6 years. And meron tayong tinatawag na annual lump sum. No? So, 40% equity is payable in 6 years. And after na 6 years, turnover na sa atin yung unit na gagamit na natin, tsaka pa lang tayo magbabank financing ng 60% equity. And if you prefer cash, we offer a 15% discount. No? So, napakalaking discount noon for a cash term. And as you observe, no, sa unit na to, meron maid's room. So, ganun mag-deliver si Megaworld ng 1 bedroom unit. It comes with maid's area or storage area. So, hindi lang siya 1 bedroom basta-basta. So, if ever may anak ka or may elder tayong kasama, ideal yung area na yon. So, if you like this unit, you can message me on my details on your screen. I'm Christian Carino from Megaworld at the Fort. And thank you for watching, guys. See you soon. Salamat!